Also, jury selection is underway today in an Arkansas courtroom as well, and that's for former reality TV star Josh Duggar, who was charged in April on 2 counts of downloading and possessing child pornography. Duggar appeared on TLC's 19 Kids and Counting, is now facing up to 20 years in prison, fines up to $250,000 if convicted on federal charges. He's 33 years old, pleaded not guilty. His attorneys say they plan to defend his case, quote, aggressively and thoroughly. TLC pulled the reality show off the air in 2015 over claims that Duggar had molested 4 of his sisters and a babysitter. Duggar's parents say that he confessed to fondling and then apologized. Duggar also apologized for his porn addiction and for cheating on his wife as well. A lot to unpack here, Matthew. So, my goodness, certainly it's a very high profile case, a lot of publicity involved here as well. How is that gonna come into play?
Yeah, it's in cases like this one, these kinds of sex crimes are always really important to pay attention to. Is it just mere possession? Are we talking about a victimless crime? And almost always are not. And here is a prime example of it. Yeah, there's also, behavioral issues that could be involved. And so, a case like this, very important. Now, the defense is going to have to jump all over it. There's a lot of evidence at play. It's possession of a large amount. So, and conduct that's also alleged. So really, this is going to be a case where the defense is going to have to, hang tight.
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting because, he's denying the charges, but then he admits not only to cheating on his wife, but having a porn addiction as well. So is that admission something that's going to help him or hurt him?
Actually, those are things that may be intended to, make him more human, and also almost kind of say sorry, but I do these things, or I've cheated on my wife, and that's bad in that nature, but that doesn't make me this person. And they're going to try to use it as such. Not only that, there's evidentiary rules about character propensity evidence and things of the sort that would almost prohibit how this kind of evidence could be used against them. So it may to some extent actually be a ploy to help them.